Greetings to you all from Melbourne, Australia. So I have been away for 2 weeks. I've been on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia, and enjoyed 10 days away with the family, which was fantastic. My oldest stepson lives on the Gold Coast, and we spent some great time with him and his girlfriend, and my daughter was up with us. Yeah, and we had a great time. So I'm feeling rejuvenated, re-energized and inspired. But what I wanted to share with you today was, on the weekend, we took our daughter to see Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the musical. Actually, I'm not sure we took my daughter. I think we may have taken me. So Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was my all-time favorite book and my favorite movie. Growing up, you know, I remember actually watching the movie. It must have been in primary school. I remember going off to the school hall, and I think it was like a family movie night, and we watched the movie, and then it was shortly after on TV. And you know, I had already read the book multiple times. And for me, I suppose, reflecting now as an adult, I actually understand why I love that movie so much. So the law of attraction has always been something that has interested me. I didn't realize I was interested in it way back when I was 12. But basically, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, that's exactly what it's about. It is about the law of attraction. It is about keeping your dreams alive. It is about being very clear about what it is that you want to achieve, having that target so clear, making sure that you are authentic, honest, clear, and you know, the path emerges, and we have to trust this. And I had never really thought about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory being all about the law of attraction. You know, he's this little boy who is really surrounded by misery, by poverty. You know, his mother was obviously really struggling, was tired, was losing hope. But Charlie just never gave up on his dreams, and he had an amazing mentor, his grandfather, who kept his dreams alive with him and for him. And, you know, to see throughout the movie, the messages in that movie were just, or rather the musical, were just amazing. By the way, it was an extraordinary performance. The orchestra was unbelievable. The talent, the acting. The main actor who played Willy Wonka, who I actually have never seen before, it was kind of creepy because I felt like I was watching Gene Wilder, the original actor in the movie. It was absolutely extraordinary, and they adapted it, some of the stories to, you know, more modern families. It was really brilliant. So I don't know where it is where you are, but if the show ever comes, I highly recommend you take yourself to see it. And just remember to watch out for the law of attraction, and how Charlie just portrays, you know, that he had a purpose. He kept his dream alive, his vision. He was honest. He was authentic. He was clear. He was driven, and it all worked out for him. His path emerged. So I absolutely just, and the truth is, I did enjoy it more than my daughter, my 15-year-old daughter. So it highlights again the importance of surrounding yourself with the right energy. You know, the right, what thoughts are we surrounding ourselves by or with? You know, what are our thoughts? What's our environment? You know, to make that change, we may need to change our thoughts, look at maybe surrounding ourselves with people who are inspiring, a mentor. So with that, I send you loads and loads of love. Maybe go eat some chocolate. Maybe that's why I love chocolate so much, because I was so obsessed with that book, and I still am. I absolutely love that story. So sending you loads and loads of love, and talk to you soon. Mwah.